Scrum scaling elements in MS project. I have taken this .mpp file from the previous lesson and I have renamed it as 3.18 Scrum scaling elements in MS project.mpp. The corresponding video file name will be same. The reason is it is synchronized so that you can quickly find out where is the solution file. The solution file will be available in all exercises and solution files folder. It is throughout the CIPSA certification course. So we left in this view called Gantt chart. In the theory part, I spoke about what are the elements that can be scaled. We are going to have a look right now at the sprint planning board view. So I'll go to View tab, Task Views group, then Task Board, and in that I'm going to select the sprint planning board view. As I selected, as you can see, we have this 5 sprints planned already, and we saw that earlier. Now, this sprint planning board is for the entire CIPSA team. So this is not for the individual teams. If you have multiple Scrum teams, then you need different boards for each of the Scrum teams. For example, let us say we have Scrum Team A, Scrum Team B, and Scrum Team C. How you are going to visualize the work items with respect to individual Scrum teams? For that, we will be needing the individual Scrum boards. So I have created some boards. How to create in step-by-step manner that we are going to see in the next lesson. So we have for Team A, we have this Team A sprint planning board. Now the Team A sprint planning board has exactly the same sprints, because as I said earlier in the theory part, individual teams are sprinting. The CIPSA team is also sprinting. So if the individual teams are on sprint 1, then the CIPSA team is also in sprint 1. So this Team A sprint planning board will have filters applied. Let us see what are the filters or tables applied. So again I'll go to the task board, and here again I'll go to more views. In the more views, the Team A sprint planning board is selected. I'll go to edit. Edit, the name is of course the Team A sprint planning board. The backend screen is task board. No table or group has been applied, but the filter applied is Team A sprint planning filter. Now the associated view for the Team A sprint planning board is the Team A sprint planning sheet, because we also need to have a sheet related view. So I select this Team A sprint planning sheet, go to edit, and here you can see the Team A sprint planning sheet is the name. Backend screen is task sheet view. Table is Team A sprint planning table. The filter applied is Team A sprint planning filter. So we have the table as well as filter applied for the sheet view. Now for Team B, we will have another board. So again I'll go to the task board, and here I'll go for Team A B sprint planning board. Again the Team B is also showing all the 5 sprints. Team B also will have the associated sheet view, and in that Team B sprint filter will be applied. Here you can see the Team B sprint filter is applied. If you go to Team B sprint planning sheet, again we'll have the Team B sprint table and Team B sprint filter getting applied. So effectively we scaled the board views. We also scaled the tables. We also scaled the filters. If you have 5 teams, then you have 5 views for individual teams and 5 tables as well as 5 filters. This is important to know, and how you are going to do it, we will see it shortly in the next lesson. However, we do not scale the groups or the individual built-in fields. We will be needing some custom fields to segregate across Scrum teams, like you have 5 different Scrum teams and you want to segregate them. For that, we will be needing custom fields, but we do not scale the group or the built-in fields.